Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we are gonna check out how to transfer your files from your local computer to the GitHub repository you have created so that you can share it to your friends or else make it public so that other people can clone it and they can fork it as well. So this is a GitHub tutorial, will be in the GitHub tutorials playlist. You can go and check out in my channel, or else I'll just tag it in here. You can go and check out it. My name is Yashraj Vishwanath, so let's get started. Alright guys, so this is my laptop screen and let's get started with this particular tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you two things that is related to this GitHub. So first one will be how to transfer your VS Code files into your particular repository you are gonna create. And then the other one is you will be learning a new command, that is .gitignore will be the extension for a particular gitignore file. That will be the two things you'll be learning. So let me just show you right away what those things are. I'm just gonna give the particular file name as demo Django. Will be file name, create a repository. Alright, so the repository has been created, and then you need to actually remember few of the commands, git init and then tilde. So these three commands are very important to actually get those files from your VS Code and transfer it in here. So you can just it's not necessary to actually remember all the commands, but few of them will be very beneficial. Go into my VS Code, which I was working before a Django project. So from here I want to transfer these files into my GitHub repository which I've created so that I can share it to my friends, or else they can clone it and they can fork it either if there are any changes to be done. So how you're gonna do it? So first one will be very important, that is git initialize. And then what you need to do is you need to add in another command, that is git. Before that, I just wanted to show another one, which is gitignore file. So the file name will be .gitignore. So I want to ignore few files because I just don't want to add this particular file into my GitHub, and it also includes some libraries. These are some large files, so I just want to ignore those. So for ignoring, you need to just add in / and then venv. That will be the file name, and you can just save it in here. So again, I'll be reinitializing because I have made changes in my particular folder, because that will affect. So it has reinitialized the existing Git repository in this particular directory. After that, you need to just go and add another command, that is git add space and the dot will be command to run it, and then you need to add git commit -m, and then you can just add in any comment you want to. So I'll be just adding initial commit and then enter. So it will be adding all the files whichever folder contains, and it will be adding into particular its own directory which the GitHub will particularly have. It has grabbed all the files, but it has not uploaded into your repository. Let's refresh and check. If that happens, it does not, because also run these particular commands, that is you need to add it to a origin. It will go and put those files to one particular branch, and it will push those into your main origin. You can just copy these. You don't need to remember everything, because creating a repository will be having all the commands, you need to follow it. So you can just copy, go into your particular folder directory, paste and then enter. It will take some time before transferring all the files. Just gonna refresh it and check it. So as you can check out, you also have a .gitignore file. That means the files which I didn't want it to get transferred have been ignored. So you have learned two things: how to transfer the files from the VS Code to GitHub repository you have created, no time, and also you have learned about a new command, that gitignore command. As you can check out, I don't have any V environment folder. That's the magic of gitignore file. It's very useful. I'm gonna create a new playlist, GitHub tutorials. Also subscribe to my channel, and for more videos, comment down below what you want, and I'll show up very soon. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, go hit the like button. I'll see you in the next video.